Welcome to our tutorial on how to change notifications tone on Messenger. If you're tired of the same old sound alert on your Messenger app, then follow these simple steps to customize it to your liking. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the menu options. Then, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings of the app. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the Notifications and Sounds option and tap on it. This will bring you to a new screen where you can adjust various notification settings. To change the ringtone specifically, tap on the Ringtone option. A list of different tones will appear for you to choose from. Select the one that you want to use for your Messenger notifications, and then tap OK to confirm your selection. And there you have it. Your Messenger notifications tone has been successfully changed. Now you can enjoy a more personalized alert sound whenever you receive a message on Messenger. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.